this video, I'm going to take you through what we did in class 10.3, volume of pyramids and cones. So started out, how much volume does a cone have? And when you click on this, it takes you to a YouTube video. So that's the other video I posted in Classroom and on the instructional videos page. So check that out, and we find out that this is true. We take 1/3 BH. So B, area of the base, is pi r squared, because that's a circle. And then the height would be this vertical height. Okay, so then we end up with this formula that you can kind of rearrange. Pi r squared h over 3. It's kind of the nicest way of thinking about it. That's how I'll have it, like on the formula sheet. Okay, so then how do we put this into application? Pi r squared h over 3. So volume of a cone with radius 5, so we can say that's 25. Height is 9, divided by 3. Leave answer in terms of pi. Well, that means just take out, where's my beast mode? Uh-oh, I lost my problem here. Let me go back. Beast mode, there we go. So I'll just do 25 times 9, and then divide that by 3. So I get 75 pi. 75 pi would be in terms of pi. That's what that part means. But then we could, realistically, I'll ask you to round somewhere. 235.6. Usually I ask for one decimal place. So centimeters cubed. Okay, that's our volume for the cone. Another one, we've got a cone picture here. Let's draw in the height. Base radius is 3, so we know we're going to do pi r squared h over 3. But it tells us what the volume is. So we're going to plug that in right there. And we have to find h. So we also know r is 3, so let's plug that in. Pi times 9 times h divided by 3. So what's the best way to do this? Best way, first, is to ignore pi. Pi is gone. Divide both sides by pi and it goes away. Say bye-bye to pi. Then we've got this 9 divided by 3, which we can cancel. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So then we just have 3h equals 24. Divide both sides by 3, and we've got the height of this cone must be 8. A harder version of this problem would be if I gave you this length instead, because that's the hypotenuse of this right triangle. So watch out for that, since we know a squared plus b squared equals c squared. I could give you the evil slant height and sort of make this problem a little bit more challenging. Okay, find the volume of a regular hexagonal pyramid. So we have to use this this concept that volume in general is the area of the base, whatever that shape is, times the height. And we saw in the other video, actually no, it wasn't in the video, but it's the same concept. If we drew a hexagonal prism, this pyramid would fit exactly 1/3 of it. So we divide the whole thing by 3. It would take 3 of these pyramids to fill up one hexagonal prism. So if the height is 8, each side of its base is 6, and the apothem is 3. That's this. So we have to use this formula, ASN over 2, to find the area of the hexagon, where apothem is given, side length is given, number of sides is 6 because it's a hexagon. So let's figure this out first. Let's cut one of these in half. So that's 9 times 6 is 54. That's the area of the base. So now we plug that in here. Do we know the height? It says height of 8. That means like from the bottom, from the ground to the top is 8. So plug that in there. Divide by 3. I think 3 goes into 54 17 times. Let's try that, because then we could cancel this out. 3 goes into 5 once. Oh, it's 18 times. So then we can just do 18 times 8, which I can do. Don't need beast mode. Maybe I do need beast mode. No, 8 times 8 is 64. 8 plus 6 is 14. So this would be 144 cubic centimeters. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.